Hello children, in today's video again we will learn to write small cursive letters A to Z. Okay, now come on, let's start. Start from the third line. Draw a slanting line, turn over like this, draw a curve, take this curve upwards, join the curve at the second line, bring down and draw a small tail at the third line. This is small cursive A. Small cursive B, slanting line from third line to first line, then standing line from first line to third line, then draw a curve like this and turn over and draw a small tail here at the second line. This is small cursive B. Small cursive C, slanting line, turn over, draw a curve like this. This is small cursive C. Then D, slanting line, turn over, draw a curve, join the curve at the second line, go up, touch the first line, then again come down, touch the third line and draw a small tail. This is small cursive D. Small cursive E, slanting line from third line to second line, then draw a curve from second line to third line. This is small cursive E. Small cursive F, slanting line from third line to first line, turn over, draw a standing line from first line to fourth line, then again turn over and draw a small tail here at the second line. This is small cursive F. Small cursive G, slanting line, turn over, make a circle like this, come down to the fourth line, turn over and draw a slanting line. Okay, this is small cursive G. Small cursive H, slanting line from third line to first line, turn over, draw a standing line from first line to third line, then draw a curve from second line to third line. Okay, this is small cursive H. Small cursive I, slanting line from third line to second line, then standing line and a curve like this and place a dot in between the first and the second line. Small cursive I. Small cursive J, slanting line, then standing line, then turn over, draw a slanting line, then place a dot. This is small cursive J. Small cursive K, start from the third line, slanting line from third line to first line, turn over, draw a standing line from first line to third line, draw a curve like this, a slanting line and upwards. This is small cursive K. Small cursive L, slanting line, standing line and lift it upwards. This is small cursive L. Then small cursive M, slanting line, then a standing line. This is first curve, second curve, upwards. Small cursive M. Small cursive N, slanting line from third line to second line, then a standing line from second line to third line, then a curve from second line to third line. Small cursive N. Small cursive O, slanting line, then a circle from second line to third line, then a small tail. Okay, this is small cursive O. Small cursive P, slanting line from third line to first line, then turn over, draw a standing line from first line to fourth line, then here draw a curve from second line to third line. Okay, this is small cursive P. Small cursive Q, slanting line, then a circle, then a standing line, then a slanting line. This is small cursive Q. Small cursive R, slanting line, turn over, draw a curve, draw another curve. Small cursive R. Small cursive S, slanting line from third line to second line, turn over, then draw a curve like this, then draw a small tail like this. Small cursive S. Small cursive T, slanting line from third line to first line, then a standing line from first line to third line, then a curve. And place the sleeping line in between the first and the second line. Small cursive T. Small cursive U, slanting line, a curve and a tail. Small cursive U. Small cursive V, slanting line, then a slanting line, another slanting line, turn over, draw a tail. Okay, this is small cursive V. Small cursive W, slanting line, first curve, second curve, turn over and draw a small tail. Small cursive W. small cursive X, slanting line with a curve like this. Then draw another curve like this, small cursive X. Small cursive Y, a slanting line with a slight curve. Then draw a curve like this, draw a standing line, turn over and draw a slanting line. Small cursive Y. Small cursive Z, see here, draw a curve like this, draw another curve, turn over and draw a slanting line. This is small cursive Z. Now come on children, repeat after me. Come on, say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now children, let's revise the say two different words with the letter A to M. Okay, repeat after me children. Come on, say A for ant, A for apple. A for ant, A for apple. B for bat, B for ball. B for bat, B for ball. C for cat, C for cup. C for cat, C for cup. D for dog, D for duck. D for dog, D for duck. E for engine, E for elephant. E for engine, E for elephant. F for fan, F for fish. F for fan, F for fish. G for girl, G for grapes. G for girl, G for grapes. H for hen, H for horse. H for hen, H for horse. I for ink pot, I for igloo. I for ink pot, I for igloo. J for jam, J for joker. J for jam, J for joker. K for kite, K for king. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lamp. L for lion, L for lamp. M for moon, M for monkey. M for moon, M for monkey. Okay children, same way revise all this. We shall meet in the next video. Goodbye.